In pain for how long?
15 years. I couldn't walk without a walker.
Crying. You said it's not because I'm ugly.
No, because I never heard anybody say that they would fix the pain. And when I tell them I have the pain, they just tell me I'm crazy. And they send me home with drugs from a pharmacy that never really work.
It's about the most demoralizing and untrue thing that I can imagine. The idea of telling somebody their pain is only in their head.
This is pain. This is real life-altering pain for 15 years. No pain.
All right, if I can't help the other knee, now that I got you on video saying this knee's good, I will have to kill you. I'm sorry.
Okay.
All right. Now, is that what you usually do?
No.
I blame you.
I'm normal.
So, do you still want to hit me with a shovel?
No. I do want to dance, though.
All right, here, let me have your hand.
There you go.
All right, kid, I blame you.